My name is Clint Wilkinson, and I am a project manager at the Utah Transit Authority. So we chose the e-voucher project as a way to help agencies with the administrative costs and problems that come with paper voucher programs. We want to help them eliminate those issues so that they can actually give more trips to those that need them. The value of this project is it allows them to get where they need to go when they need to get there. We chose the e-voucher project to help agencies that do paper voucher projects now to help eliminate their administrative costs and administrative workload so that they can put more money back into those that need the trips the most. The e-voucher project is a way that agencies can track the funding that they get from government agencies down to their client level. They can give funds to clients. The e-voucher system that's currently being tested is an electronic software that allows agencies and organizations to track funding. Also, it allows them to give money to clients that they can use for trips. They can have their friends, neighbors, or taxis provide trips to them to groceries, to doctor's offices. Some of the key benefits to the e-voucher system is that it allows agencies and organizations to verify that clients were taken to and from the locations that they wanted to go. Currently with paper vouchers, there's no way of tracking that information. So the e-voucher system tracks both the pickup and drop-off of each client. It also then electronically pays the driver through our financial system so that the driver doesn't have to wait those 6 to 8 weeks for a paper check to arrive in the mail. The value of this software to the FTA is it allows them to know that we are using their money appropriately. The software allows us to track individual trips from origin to destination. This way we can reduce the amount of waste, fraud, and abuse that can occur with paper voucher programs. The value of this project for communities and the people that need the transportation is that it gets them to doctor's appointments for general medical care that sometimes instead of going to a hospital, they can just go to their regular doctor. When you're going to a doctor's office so that you don't have issues later. So the benefit to communities and those that need these trips the most is that they get that preventative care. The preventative care that helps them be healthier in the long run so that they don't require to go to the emergency rooms and have those big medical bills that come later. This project is unique because it's never been done before. We're breaking new ground in this kind of technology. That the ability to verify the locations of the origin and destination is a big game changer when it comes to vouchers. This project is unique because it tracks clients' origins and destinations. It tracks their funding sources, keeps track of the word track a lot. This project is unique because it gives us a chance to validate the origin and destination of vouchers that we weren't able to do previously. FTA is very appreciative of that because then they know where their funding is going. When we first started the project, we talked to a lot of people throughout the country that were really excited for it because they've never had anything like this before. Knowing that this software is wanted, and to know that we'd be able to help not only their agencies but their organizations but also their local communities and the people that they serve is great. This allows people to get paid on the fly. ComHit has been a great partner for us. They've given us great ideas. They've worked well with us. I couldn't have asked for better partners. I would have no hesitation. I'd have no problem working with ComHit again. Hopefully we can work on this project as it continues to grow throughout in the future. The My Health Drive demonstration has been going great. We've had a lot of ridership with a lot of different customers and different drivers. The feedback we've been getting lets us know we're on the right track forward. So the e-voucher system is an electronic voucher system that's going to replace paper voucher. This allows the organizations and agencies to distribute funding electronically to clients. It also allows the ability to validate origin and destination addresses that we don't have in paper voucher systems. This allows them to use a neighbor, a friend, and get to those preventative medical care or groceries or pharmacies that they may not have been able to otherwise. The e-voucher system is an electronic voucher program that's going to replace what's commonly known as a paper voucher program. It allows folks that don't have the ability to get themselves somewhere or transportation to get to medical care or groceries. It allows us as administrators to track funding and sources. Collaborating with ComHit has been a true pleasure. ComHit has been nothing but helpful and constructive in any kind of criticism they've been able to give us. They've tested our software fully, and it's been a great benefit to allow us to fix the software and get it to where it needs to be. My name is Clint Wilkinson, and I am a project manager at the Utah Transit Authority.